on to question number 3. So it says 4 coplanar forces of magnitude P Newton, 10 Newton, 16 Newton and 2 Newton act at a point in the direction shown in the diagram. It is given that the forces are in equilibrium. So we have to find the values of theta and P. Before we do that, we need to resolve these forces. So P Newton is acting completely vertically. So first let's resolve this 10 Newton force. So since the direction is this way, that means the components, there will be a rightward components and a downward components. So the rightward component will be 10 cos 25 and the downward component will be 10 sin 25. Now let's resolve this force in the same way. So this will become 2 cos 40 and this will become 2 sin 40. Now the 16 Newton force. I will move the paper like this so it makes it easier to solve it. So this will become 16 cos theta. This will become 16 sin theta. So the question states that the forces are in equilibrium. So we know that in the state of equilibrium, the forces acting upwards must be equal to the forces acting downwards. And similarly, the forces acting rightwards must be equal to the forces acting leftwards. So let's write the the component of the forces in this way. So when we're talking vertically, this will mean that P is equals to 2 sin 40 plus 10 sin 25 plus 16 cos theta. And when we're talking about horizontally, this means that 2 cos 40 plus 16 sin theta is equals to 10 cos 25. So first let's take this first one. So we can write it like this. So 16 cos theta, and first we can simplify this. So 2 sin 40 plus 10 sin 25 is 5.5. So when we take it to the other side, this will become P minus 5.5. 5.5. And now we can make this second equation into the in terms of 16. We will equate it to 16 sin theta. So this will become 16 sin theta is equals to 10 cos 25 minus 2 cos 40. 10 cos 25 minus 2 cos 40 is 7.53. Now we know that sin theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. But we also have 16, but we can see that whenever we write it like this, the 16 will cancel out, and we know that sin theta over cos theta is equals to tan theta. So that means that this will equal to 7.53 over P minus 5.5. Now we have to this equation and this equation. So now we can find out the value of theta by simplifying this. So that means that sin theta is equal to 7.53 divided by 16. That means that theta will equal to sin inverse 7.53 over 16, making theta 28.07. Now we can use this value of theta and find out the value of P. So that means that tan 28.07 is equals to 7.53 over P minus 5.5. Arrange this will become P minus 5.5 is equals to 7.53 divided by tan 28.07. So 7.53 divided by 10, 28.07 is 14.12. And when we add this 5.5 to the other side, this will become 19.62. That means P is equals to 19.6. Rounding it off to 3 is significant.